as mentioned, we have the support level. So long as we keep above it and we can go up, reject, but we're forming higher lows, then that's good. Hi, this is Jason, and today's date is the 5th of June 2021. And I just want to do a Bitcoin update from the last video. In the last video, we established that we have a resistance line, and since then we've tested it a few times in more recent days as well, and it has not broken, so that is promising. And secondly, we were establishing perhaps a W pattern that was forming where we would break out into the 40s. So my opinion is that would have played out had it not been for Elon Musk's tweet. And his tweet it came out at the correct time, too conveniently, because as we can see here, previously on looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see these rejections against these EMA ribbons. But with the most recent attempt, we actually broke through these EMA, retested it, and further pumped up, and we broke this resistance line as well, and we were essentially going into the 40s, but then Elon's tweet, rejection, and back down. So my opinion is it was too convenient. It seemed like it was very much coordinated, and I believe that I don't know what his hidden agenda is or what his interest is, but I believe he should be investigated both for pumping Bitcoin, Dogecoin, as well as the FUD as well. And if there were any, insider or trades coordinated with these tweets, essentially. But annoying as it is, I believe each tweet Elon does, the market will react less and less and less because his credibility is going down and down and down. So hopefully we could just get past this FUD, and hopefully we can still go to the upside. But overall, essentially we've formed this symmetrical triangle. Normally this would be a fairly neutral position, i.e. Same probability going up as going down. But because we're coming from a downtrend and we're consolidating, essentially this could be a continuation where we break downwards as well. So technically speaking, because we were in the downward trend already, there's a little bit more chance of it breaking down rather than breaking up. But at the same time, the Bitcoin conference is on at the moment in Miami. That will inevitably bring more awareness and recognition. So overall, I'd say probably a neutral position. We will see a movement either during the weekend or the very early stages of next week. But if we do break down, we could form essentially this. We could form a support line like this, perhaps, and a downward channel. So essentially we would bounce here, bounce here. If we break around this area that has a lot of resistance, we could go down to test the 30 again, the 30,000 mark again. So that is a possibility if we do break downwards. But as mentioned, there should be a move pretty imminently, a big significant move over this weekend or the early stages of next week. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one very soon.